Hello, a warm welcome to iReg, a product by Achivo Engineering Components Private Limited. I will take some of your precious time to give you an overview of iReg Business Management System. We believe that any organization who uses iReg should be able to plan and execute their growth with the help of this application. The agenda for this session will be to highlight some business and technical challenges that we aim to address by means of this solution. These were documented based on a discussion and feedback with few of highly successful industry executives. We shall give you an introduction of iReg Business Management System and explain the philosophy behind the solution that will lead to clear advantages any organizations can gain if use this system. Success for any business starts at clarity of thoughts in defining the clear objectives that will lead to growth. Not many organizations are able to define and track these on a regular basis. The ability to make timely and effective decisions based on real-time data. We all estimate, but often the actual cost is higher from the estimated cost. This is a clear impact on margins. Missing production planning can lead to increase in idle time and decrease in capacity utilization of machines. No visibility into the upcoming projects or orders leads to poor planning of work. All these obviously results in order to cash cycle being too long. Inability to track defined quality parameters, tracking rejections, working on corrective and preventive actions, use industry best practices. All these low customer satisfaction, increase in rejections and customer complaints. Now let us look at some of the technology-based challenges. Existence of multiple systems. Information lying scattered in emails, local machines, papers, etc. How difficult is to trace a complete end-to-end information of a project or history of a customer. Missing traceability. Incorrect or incomplete MIS can certainly affect your decision. Task assignment to the team members. Missing well-defined workflows so that the business processes are automated. iReg is a software to manage your business. It will help you to define organizational goals and objectives and then guide you in your day-to-day activities to achieve your goals. In very simple words, define, achieve, grow. Overview of the system. Senior management will use this system to see important data rolled up to form a proper management information system. Define organization targets, identify profitable products, and do schedule review meetings. The sales team will manage customers' inquiries, corresponding quotations, and orders. The delivery or execution team will process the orders. The purchase team will manage vendors and purchase orders based on history of past supplies. Finance team will cash flow plan, costing, and expense tracking. The quality team will control quality related aspects with respect to processes or standard processes like ISO. Goal definition, that is identification of goals, objectives for the quarter or the year. To give you an example, set sales target for the year at 30%, margin targets say year on year 25%, and so on. Based on data from projects, compare where we actually are. Agree and implement corrective actions. Control your goals and see your organization grow. Few of the MIS reports from the system: profitability, customer-wise business share, estimation accuracy. Create product catalog. Add technicalities like drawing, specification, very important estimated cost, process sheets, track open and closed order for products, see product rejection cases. Lastly, analyze item profitability. Let us see order execution process. Book the orders, estimate delivery time and cost, assign tasks to team members, production development, ensure quality assurance, dispatch and logistics, payments and deductions, learning from project, closure and profitability tracking. Production. Capacity definition of your resources, human and machinery. Production planning, actual production tracking, find out productivity of your organization. Tracking rejections in customer reported rejections. and preventive actions so that the quality manager can do root cause analysis to reduce further rejections. Identify treasurers for handling petty cash. Employees record their expenses. Accounts reconcile the expense information and feed into your company accounting system. Summarizing the benefits. Real-time reports so that decision making is fast and based on accurate data. Giving direction to the business by defining targets and continuously monitoring them. Strategizing products. Reduce shelf time for your raw materials, semi-finished and finished products, resulting in improved cash flow. Better your capacity utilization, productivity and reduced capital cost. Control your rejection and ensure timely deliveries. Satisfied customer. Cash flow management, control indirect expense. Automated flows, ISO SMA. Summarizing few of the benefits of IREX system. It is an integrated system with all data in a single application. Very good communication tools so that all work related communication is stored. Every user will get their own login ID so that they can log into the system and see tasks assigned to them. Create expense entry leave request. Internet based system can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Email and SMS alerts from the system. Will to suit your needs. Service based model so that you do not have to invest in hardware or software. Easy entry and exit points. All you pay is monthly charge for the service. Permanent license with fixed number of users. Enterprise licenses for your unlimited users. Now let us see the product demonstration.